When we talk about a public IP address, think of it as your identity on the internet. Just like your home address is used to receive parcels, your public IP is used to send and receive data over the internet. Many people use websites like whatismyip.com, whatismyip.com, or ipinfo.io to check their public IP. Now let's understand how these websites actually know your public IP step by step. Step 1. You enter the website URL. The moment you type a URL, your computer doesn't understand domain names directly. So it sends a request to a DNS server asking, what is the IP address of this domain? This process is called DNS resolution. Step 2, DNS responds with the server IP. The DNS server replies with the IP address of that website. Now, your system knows where exactly to send the request. Step 3, your system creates a packet. Your computer now prepares a network packet to send to the website. At this stage, source IP 192.168.1.10, your private IP, destination IP, website server IP. Important. This private IP is valid only inside your local network. It cannot travel on the internet. Step 4. Router performs NAT, network address translation. Here comes the most important concept. When this packet reaches your router, the router understands that private IPs are not routable on the internet, so it replaces your private IP with your public IP. After NAT, source IP, your public IP, destination IP, website server IP. Now the packet with your public IP travels through multiple routers across the internet until it reaches the website server. Step 6. Server reads your public IP. When the server receives your request, it doesn't guess or search your IP. It simply checks the source IP field in the packet header. That source IP is your public IP. Step 7. Website displays your IP. The site just takes that IP and displays it on your screen. So in reality, you are already sending your public IP to the server. The site is just showing it back to you. Even if you are using HTTPS, only the data, payload, is encrypted. The IP header is not encrypted. So, the server can always see your public IP. Think of it like this. Your device, Schwartz person inside a house. Private IP, Schwartz, your room number, router, Schmurzers, your house gate. Public IP, Kachir, your house address. When you send something outside, inside, room number is used. Outside, house address is used. The outside world only knows your house address. Public IP, not your room. Final summary, your system uses a private IP internally. Router converts it to public IP using NAT. Website simply reads your source IP from the packet. That's how sites like whatismyip.com show your public IP. You can reach us for interview guidance and mock interview scheduling through Instagram and Telegram, links in the description. See you in the next video. Happy learning!